If you're looking at how to get Canva Pro for free, there's a couple different ways that you can do that. There's 3 links in the description. The first one will actually take you to this page, which will allow you to have a free 30-day trial. So you can try out all the awesome features of Canva Pro for free. All you have to do is click on this trial button, continue with whatever account you have. You can sign in with Google or just your email, and then you get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. Now, Canva Pro has one of the best background removal tools, has a ton of AI features coming out. There's a lot packed into Canva, and if you're familiar with Canva at all, you know that there are a lot of pro features as you're designing or creating all of your different work and projects. And so Canva Pro is actually a really valuable tool to have. And so you can click that link down below to try Canva Pro for free. Now there's 2 other links down there because there's 2 other ways to get it for free. So if you are a teacher or a student, then there is actually Canva Pro for education. And so if you're a teacher, you can get verified and get access to Canva Pro. For schools and for students, there's some other information in here. So you need to make sure your school or maybe your teacher is verified, and then you will also get access to Canva Pro for free as a student. And so that's Canva Pro for education. We also have Canva Pro for nonprofits. And so if you're a nonprofit group, you can actually apply for Canva nonprofits and get access to Canva Pro for free. And so all of those links are in the description down below, and those are the different ways that you can get Canva Pro for free.